Interesting. So okay, so talking about brands. How do you do you reach out to brands or do they reach out to you, like brands, travel agencies, either of?
So honestly, I think now I'm in a position where I don't have the need to reach out to brands. Like I already have so many, and like because of I can't produce so many videos, I have to like turn down a lot of brands. So I'm grateful to be in this position. But when I started out, I did reach out to a lot of brands. Not a lot, but like if I was going on a trip, especially travel related, it's always like a good idea because I was trying to save money wherever I could. So in fact, like after I quit my job, like I was still living in Mumbai for 6 months, but then I decided that okay, I'm just spending too much money on rent for no reason and I want to be traveling. So I decided to leave Mumbai and move back home. I think this was in 2018, and 2019 is when I decided to go back to Mumbai again. But yeah, so I was just like finding ways to save money. So if I was traveling to a place, then I'd reach out to that brand and be like, hey, I can show you in my vlog, which I anyway would show. So it's like, can you give me a free stay or like stuff like that. But I've never done it. Like it's easy if it's gonna, I mean, it makes sense if it's gonna be easy content for you and if it's gonna be an easy way to include them. But otherwise, if you have to go out of your way to create content for them, then you have to really see if it's worth it or not.
Makes sense. So, what would you advise to anybody who wants to reach out to, let's say, a travel agency and they have like a decent following as well and they are like a dedicated travel blogger? How would you advise them and so that they could go about reaching out to travel agencies? Like how could they pitch themselves?
Okay, so I think if you're a dedicated travel blogger or
let's say
Instagram
lifestyle
or
blogger
whatever,
maybe.
Okay, whatever. If you're a content creator, like I think one mistake I see a lot of people making, including myself, I've also made this mistake, is like when you reach out to brands, you're just like, hey, this is me, this is how many followers I have, this is my channel, these are the videos. It's like all about you. But like a good pitch is all about what you can do for them. So keep your intro short, like leave your link so they can anyway go check your work. And then just, I think when like one important thing to do when you're pitching is to already go to them with a creative idea and be like, hey, you know what, like I saw your property and like you have a really amazing property and I've seen that you haven't been, like there haven't been any features on YouTube, but like, you know what, I create travel vlogs and my audience really like follows my recommendations and stuff. And you can also give your previous work examples and stuff like, see, I did this for this particular hotel, so I could do something similar for you as well. So if you go from that mindset of like, make it look like they are winning by giving you this deal. So that's how you need to like phrase it.
I was asking this for myself. But okay.
Get that sponsored trip. Yeah. And then in fact you should actually ask to, I mean, if your content is really good and if you're creating like visually stunning content, then you should ask them to pay you for it as well. Like I mean, it's all about pitching skills, which I've learned over time. But
so has this ever happened that you pitched to a hotel for, let's say, and then they how did you convince them to pay you, like with the same kind of pitch, or like how did you ask for that, like it would be better if you pay me also?
So that's a bit tricky. But what I usually do is be like, hey, if you give me a free stay, then I can feature you in like my vlog and do a room tour and like hotel tour, whatever, for like 60 seconds. But I also have these packages where if you want like images for your website, then I charge this much. So like just add in those and you can give like samples. It's all about how well you present yourself. So work on like a pitch template and all of that. And in fact, I'm reworking. I don't know if I should say this. I haven't announced this to my audience yet, but let's do this. So I'm actually working on creating like a course, and I'm like about how to do all of this and stuff. And I also have like, I'm going to be like putting my pitch templates and stuff on my store if anyone wants to buy.
I actually did that VIP email thingy recently. Yesterday, I think you put a story.
Oh, you did? So you'll find out when it goes live.
So yeah.